Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Here's Ross.
Hi.
There's Buddy.
I don't want to talk today.
Okay, yes. Both of us are kind of shy because we haven't made a video for like a year.
Yeah, because 1 year, actually.
Yeah, for one
that
year.
describes 1 year.
Yeah.
So,
Okay, so guys.
make sure you give us a huge thumbs up, subscribe, hit that bell because we are going to be chasing chickens like tagged.
And then at the end, we're going to do hiding seek, and then the one who doesn't get tagged at the end is going to get a cookie.
Yep. Because we have a bunch of cookies.
Yeah. So we are going to try to chase this one. Booty crackle like a bucket. Okay, guys. But like,
This is the girl.
yeah, the girl is the one. So we have chicken, yes. So I'm actually at my friend's house. This is at my house. This is our house. Booty caca. Yes, it looks horrible. Okay, so I don't know what to do. I'm trying to help. Yeah, I just talk a lot, but like still, yeah, I like talking, but yes. Say hi, Ross. Good. Oh, okay. So I'm gonna be on the swing. Okay, everybody. But okay, I'm coming, guys. And yeah, guys, I'm not thinking Nikki anymore. I'm gonna be Joan. Because my real name is actually my nickname. People call me Joan because my real name was Joan Wayne Condor. Now it's Philip Wayne Condor. But Ross and Miley you guys didn't know my name was Joel. Hey, so Riley, my name was Joel Wayne Condor.
This again.
No, I'm not joking. So my name is Joel Wayne Condor.
He's lying.
Boy, you don't even know about my past.
Yes, I kind of do.
Okay, so what did I look like when I was little? Like when I was a baby.
I do not want to talk about this.
Oh yeah, probably because you don't even know what I look like.
Hey, fill up. Just go show them the eggs. Fill up.
Okay, what hair color did I have?
Black.
No, blonde.
Fill up. Just go. Fill up. I would say that they're going to the chicken coop. Fill up.
Okay, what?
You want to start doing like subscribing challenge?
But yes, my name was Joey.
No, open the door. And the door.
But yeah, guys, my name was Joey. Riley over there thinks I'm lying. But like, yeah, my name was Joey. So my name was Joey. Okay, guys, we have a frog.
We have to cut up this video because we have to go for a Jeep ride. Sorry. We're going to do verse 2 here and whenever we get back. Bye!
Yeah, but like, wait, where are we going?
On a Jeep ride. We'll do a little subscribe challenge whenever we get back.
But yeah, guys, but so I'm gonna start the video when I get back. So bye. Okay, everybody gets in the huddle.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.